VNB Consulting, a Microsoft Gold partner, presents Predict Legal Knowledge Management. Predict Legal, the knowledge management tool to interpret law firm statistics, to manage and grow practices, while supporting the service teams and firm initiatives to make that happen. Predict Legal's dashboard views are customizable for whatever role the user is in your organization. Information is displayed based on a working attorney, billing responsible attorney, or matter responsible attorney. In addition, there are views for office management, practice management, and firm executives. Security is built in to provide access to information based on users' roles. Billable hours shows time that has been worked but has not yet been billed. There are summary tiles to give you information at a glance, and a comparison on the top of year-to-date billable hours versus the prior year-to-date billable hours. Tiles include top 10 clients by billable hours, top 10 matters by billable hours, and you can hover over the charts, which will give you more detailed information. In addition, if you click on it, all the other tiles will filter based on your selection. Work in progress shows work that is going on and the value of that work. In the firm management view, as we see here, there's summary information based on practice groups and office groups, in addition to detail. We also see, once again, year-to-date information and a comparison of this year versus a prior year. Do you need more detailed information? Click on a segment in the pie chart, and the other tiles will adjust the information accordingly based on what you had selected. Accounts receivable shows the amount of fees still to be collected. These summaries are handy for billing teams, office management, and practice management. Interested in further detail? Hover over the graphs, click on it, and the rest of the tiles are updated with that selection of information. Click again, and the original view comes back. Revenue shows the amount of money being collected. This is once again based on the user role and the authorized view of information. The summary shows a comparison between the current period and the fees collected. As with all of these screens, drill downs are available when you click on a segment in the graph. Billing realization percentage shows the relationship between the amount billed in a given period versus what the amounts were collected. The summary ribbon at the top of the screen gives a quick view of the numbers that create that percentage. There is also a comparison of the percentages of the current period versus the prior period. Thank you for viewing VNB's Predict Legal. If you would like some additional information on this product, please reach out to us today. Thank you.